What's going on, everybody? How's it going? So today I got another quick guess what's in the box video. This is a little tiny box. It just says it came from Walnut, California, USWC2 warehouse. But you know, stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I believe I know who sent this. I could be wrong. It doesn't really give any information on it. Says USWC2 warehouse, Bree Canyon Road, Walnut, California. Just has my name on it. But this is going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. So this box is 4 7/8 long by 4 3/4 wide by 2 3/8 deep. It's a little small package. It's not super heavy. I don't see anywhere on here where it says weight. It's a nice, crisp, square, clean box. It says made in China, please save this label. I'm not really sure what it is. I have an idea. I did get contacted in email for collaboration, but I don't know if they sent anything yet. I haven't heard from them in over 2 weeks, but it's just a quick video. We'll do some more videos on it. If it is what I think it is. It should be, if it is what I think it is, it should be a item for the 2000 4Runner or 1996, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002. It should be something to help you see. But that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!